juggling a million things at once and making the time to declutter and organize your bathroom drawers just isn't at the top of the priority list. But what if I told you that by making few small changes, you can turn your cluttered, stressful bathroom into a peaceful, organized oasis? That's right. In this video, I'm sharing 10 quick and easy organization tips that will help you transform your messy bathroom drawers into this beautiful and functional space without taking up too much of your precious time. You might be thinking, why bother? It's just a drawer. Who cares if it's messy? But the truth is, having an organized bathroom drawer is actually a small luxury that can make a big difference in your daily routine. It will absolutely save you time in the morning when you're getting ready. And I've always said, my time is luxury. So let's jump into these 10 tips that you can use to getting those bathroom drawers quickly organized. Tip number 1, empty the drawers. Emptying your drawers, this might seem actually daunting and overwhelming for most, but trust me, it's worth it. Take everything out of those drawers and sort them into piles. Keep, donate, and throw away. Be ruthless and honest with yourselves. If you haven't used it in 6 months or more, it might be time to let it go. If you want to learn exactly how to go about decluttering your bathroom, check out this video that I will post above that shows you 5 easy steps to decluttering your bathroom. But let's jump into tip number 2. Measure it. Once you've sorted through everything, it's time to measure your drawers. And this will help you determine what kinds of containers and dividers you'll need to keep everything organized. Now, do not run out like I've done and just start buying containers because they're cute. You want to first measure the drawers to make sure you get exactly what you need for the drawer space that you have. Now, by the way, if this is your first time joining me on this channel, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. My name is Ayana, the Thrifting Diva, and on this channel, we talk about having an affordable luxury lifestyle, with the word affordable being the main point. So if you're feeling the vibe, then be sure to continue watching this video for the additional tips to giving your bathroom drawers that affordable luxury look. Now, tip number 3, contain it, maintain it. Here's what I mean by that. Micro-organizing the drawers into smaller containers will absolutely help you keep things in its place. Remember the saying, everything in its place, put it back in its place. Same goes for your drawers. Now, I would tell you, you do not have to spend a lot of money on containers. Your local dollar store, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, Goodwill, IKEA, there's so many places that have affordable containers that you do not have to spend a lot of money. But the main point here is you would need containers. Tip number 4, use acrylic or clear containers. I have a variety of different types of containers, but I absolutely recommend that you incorporate the acrylic or clear containers. Not only do they look sleek and modern, they also can make it so much easier for you to see what's inside, which makes finding things so much easier and faster. But not everything has to go in clear containers. So it's truly up to what you are organizing and your style. Tip number 5. Stick your containers down. Some of these containers may not fit directly in the drawers, and there may be some gaps, which allows these containers to move around. So I would use adhesive strips to stick them down and prevent them from sliding around and getting disorganized. You can also use museum putty, which I'm going to leave the link below for the one I use because I think you should absolutely have this. I use it for everything in the house. But any adhesive that won't ruin your drawers and can be removed if and when you need to remove the containers will work just fine. Tip number 6, the art of stacking for deep drawers. Okay, so let's talk about those of you who may have some of those deep drawers. Those can be tricky, but if we take a look at those deep drawers, we see that most often there's some wasted space because folks are not utilizing the deep drawers to their full potential. I believe the number 1 secret to maximizing and organizing your deep drawers is stacking. Stacking vertically allows you to fit more items into your drawers while also making it easier to see everything at a glance. But another tip is to use drawer dividers to create sections for your categories, further increasing the organization and efficiency of those deep drawers. Personally, I use other containers to actually divide the space, but you can find drawer dividers like these on Amazon. Whether you use containers or actual dividers, Just know that dividing the deep drawers are an excellent tool for maximizing the space in the bathroom drawer. They can help you create those smaller compartments within a drawer, making it so much easier for you to organize the items by category. And this can prevent items from shifting around and becoming disorganized. Now, tip 7. Once you have your containers and dividers in place, it's time to group the items that you have to put back in the drawers by type. So for example, keeping all your hair products together in one container, or your makeup in one container, etc. So I keep all my foundations in one container, my concealers in one container, my sponges in one container, because that drawer is my makeup drawer. So I put all the different items into groups. It's all about giving your categories a home, and this home is one that you can reach for them with your eyes closed because they've all been categorized in different containers. Now, if you're learning something new in this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button to get more videos like this in your notifications. But let's jump back into these tips. We're almost to the end. Tip 8, we're gonna use cups for vertical storage. Don't forget vertical storage. You can use cups to hold items like toothbrushes and razors. I use the cups to hold my brushes in the deep drawers. I can pull open that drawer and see immediately what brush I need without any fuss or digging around. But had I tried to store these brushes laying down, imagine just how much space I would have wasted. This type of vertical storage will absolutely save you space and make it so much easier for you to grab what you need. Tip number 9, be strategic. Be strategic about where you place items in your drawer. Keep the things you use most frequently in the front or at the top, and items you use less often in the back or in the bottom. So for me, I keep the things I use less often in the bottom. In the mornings, the items I need, I can reach for in the front and the top drawer immediately without searching. My toothbrush, my deodorant, my hair cream. Since I keep all my skincare on the counter, I can pull this one drawer out and get everything I need very quickly for my main essentials. However, in my bottom drawer, I keep all my travel accessories and minis at the bottom. I only reach for those when I'm traveling. In another bottom drawer, I hold my extra meds and some makeup brush cleaning essentials and hair products that I don't use often. And so we're at the last tip, and which is tip number 10. It's to keeping your drawers looking luxurious and organized by lining them. So you can find these liners at the dollar store, Target, Home Goods, TJ Maxx. They are super inexpensive, but they elevate the look of these drawers. You simply need to measure and cut to fit the drawers. Liners in general will also protect the drawers from spills. And in my case, the liners I opted to use stops the containers from sliding around and makes it so much more luxurious looking when I open those drawers. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can transform any cluttered bathroom drawer into a small luxury that will make a difference in your daily routine. So question I have for you is, what is your go-to type of containers that you use in your bathroom drawers to keep you organized? Now, if you're ready to turn your bathroom into your personal luxury oasis, then I would recommend that you watch this video coming up next, where we talk about 5 easy, transformative steps to decluttering the bathroom, to regaining a luxury oasis in your own bathroom. And that bathroom can be big, small, it does not matter. Any bathroom can be turned into a luxury oasis with a few simple steps. All right, until the next time, bye.